Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to round the search bar in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click Online Store on the left. The themes page opens. Let's go to our theme. Click the three-dot button. A new menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme's file page will open. In Filter Files, search for base.css. A file named base.cs will appear. Click it to open our store's appearance script. All our store's styling code is here. We'll scroll down to the very last line. Just go all the way down. At the bottom, there's a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link to this page is in the description, along with the code to round the search bar. Next, click the button labeled Click Here. After clicking, copy the code, return to Shopify, and paste it in the blank line. Once pasted, go to the top right and click the Save button. After saving, the change is complete. You can now return to your store. Now, when you click the search icon, you'll see the rounded search bar. It looks more appealing and attractive to your customers. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.